Okay, nice and shiny. Okay, supposedly that will reflect your body heat. Let's continue to open it. Okay, here we go. All right, first off is this sucker is big. I had no idea. That's just half. That's half of it. So, opens up and it's a pretty orange on one side, reflector on the other. It's got some grommet holes. So, let's take it outside. All right, there it is. I decided to hang it on the side of the van, try to give you an idea as to its size. Let's refer to the box for the exact dimensions, and they are 83 inches by 59 inches. Okay, so on the box, UST says this is all-weather protection, ideal for day packs, emergency kits and cars, windproof and waterproof. I think that's the biggie there. Lightweight and durable, can be used over and over. Highly visible reflective surface, works as an emergency reflective device. You can make an emergency lean-to, uses a ground cloth, and wrap cold and frozen food for transport. All right, I'll go along with every bit of that. Give you an idea of what this the silver side fabric looks like. The opposite side, the orange side, kind of is a rubbery coating on it. And as you can see, the grommet holes, those corners are reinforced. First impression, I do like it. It doesn't seem cheap at all. Where around the borders where they've sewn everything, those sewn seams don't seem to be cheap or anything. The fabric doesn't seem to be cheap. So what if you just wanted some quick shade? I just looked around, saw what I had near me. I had a kayak paddle and some string, and I just made myself a quick little fast awning.